name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design and the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my weekly YouTube videos, blog posts, and newsletter, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life and Home. In the course of 5 days, you will receive tips and emails from me with suggestions on how to keep your home company ready. And also, I recently published my planner for 2024, the 2024 Divine Life and Home Planner. Information about the planner and the course will be in the description box below. As the title of this video suggests, today I'm going to give you information about my latest giveaway. So for 2024, I am giving away 4 cosmetology kits. So these kits are to be given to high school or college cosmetology students. So they could either go to a particular school or person. So all of that depends on you. This giveaway, or to enter the giveaway, you must enter a comment in the comment section and subscribe to this channel. In the comment section, type your name and or your school. And this is open to college and high school. So the giveaway will be open until February the 22nd, because I don't want to open too long. And then the following week, it will be selected, and I would love to physically give the products to the school and the schools and the students. So that's why I'm only limiting this to residents of North Texas, preferably in the DFW Metroplex, because I want to physically give this to the school and or the students. So in the comment section, you would just put in your name and or the school. And I'm also going to have this over on Instagram as well. So the same thing applies to Instagram. Please share, please comment, please like. I have more items, so if this giveaway goes well, we will be having more giveaways. So I'm gonna show you what I have in the kit. So each kit will have a bag. Now this is a canvas bag that I had in my inventory for a while, but I thought, hey, I'm doing 4 kits and I had 4 bags left. I'm just gonna donate this bag to the kits. And it's a canvas bag. You can put things in them. You can put, hair supplies, just, a few things here and there, or it can just be something kind of personal. But I thought this was a great addition to the kit along with all the other things. So each kit will have a professional grade hair dryer. So this is the one for this kit. Now each kit is going to be different, but it's going to have the same things. So this kit has curling irons, and this is a 3-piece set, so it has 3 different sizes. So I think that's really neat. So it has the same base, and then you have the 3 different sizes, or the 3 different attachments. Each kit will have a straightening brush. So this can be used to straighten and brush your hair. I am not a cosmetologist, so please don't laugh at my describing these items. Okay. So now this kit has a crimpler. I think that's what this is called. That's what they called them back in my day. So I only had 2 crimplers, and then I also had 2 of the curling irons that look like this. So 2 people are gonna get the crimpler style, and then other 2 people are gonna get the curling iron style. Okay. Each kit has a flat iron. So this is a flat iron, a hair straightener. So that's that. And then also threw in a couple other things. These are a couple wig caps, some headbands, and then a thin tooth comb. So that is it. Those are the wonderful things of the kits. I believe each kit is probably valued at around $300. And then I'm doing 4 of these kits. So best of luck to anybody and everyone who wants to participate. You can enter as many times as you want, because I want to get the word out that these kits are available and they are free. And sometimes I see people give giveaways and you don't see what happens at the end, or you don't know if they actually gave it to the person. That's why I want to actually give this to the people, to the student and or school district, and that way my followers can see what they voted for and who actually received the items. So I'm going to leave all this in the comment section below, or in the description box below, along with a link to my Instagram and the Instagram post where it is announced. But as I said, there are 4 kits. So comment, like, share, subscribe, do all of that. Send it to your family and friends, your co-workers, your teachers, all of that. And let's just try to spread the awareness, because I am so excited about these 4 cosmetology kits and to be able to give them to some well-deserving students. So thank you very much for watching to the end of this video. Have a divine day. Goodbye.